It is December 3rd, and I have another small progress update on my tiny RC car project. I just got new PCBs in from Osh Park, and so I was able to consolidate this old controller breadboard onto this little tiny PCB right here, which is installed in here now, which is only very slightly larger than the Raspberry Pi Pico W itself. I can't make it any smaller than that because the Pico, the regular Pico, you could actually cut off about the bottom inch of the circuit board and it would work just fine. It was nothing but traces. There were no components on it. But the Pico W, of course, one, you've got the radio here, and then also this bottom most portion is actually all the antennae. So you can't remove that. You can't make it any smaller. So that's as small as it could get, but then that's also as small as I can, reasonably and comfortably hold in my hand. It's freaking tiny as is. I have one USB mini plug to program the Pico, and then a USB-C to charge it. I could combine those. I don't know if it's really worth the effort. I don't think it's worth the effort, but if I ever rev the PCBs again, I might do that. But that's it for that. Cool.